Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are into beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment before you leave out the video. As you guys can see in the title today, it is another Fashionnova haul. Pretty simple, easy, no styling in this one. I'm just going to show you guys the outfit and we're going to wrap it up. Okay guys, if you want to see what I got from Fashionnova, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Guys, the first outfit is this pink beauty right over here. A sweatery material. It's thick but not too thick. You could wear this out. You could wear this to a party, to a wedding, a birthday, a friends get together, and all that good stuff. It has a little bit of a balloon sleeve right over here, and it is off the shoulder. Show yourself, show them skin a little bit, okay? So, and then it has this shoulder, and the other shoulder goes down. It is so cute. You could put some glitter, cream, or powder, or whatever it is on your shoulder, so you could, sparkle a little bit. You could wear your regular bra with this and just put the arm in, just exactly like how I did mine. So yeah, so cute. And again, it has this slit right over here on the side. This is so cute to me. Wow, so beautiful. You guys see how it conforms to the body. I got this in a size. This is cute to me. Like a sweater season, okay? This is cute. This is what the back looks like. Really cute, simple. You could wear this with a heel, or you could wear this with a thigh-high boot, a booty, whichever one that is cute for you. You could wear it like that. So yeah, okay guys, the next one that I got from Fashionnova is this another sweater dress. This one is much lighter than the other one. That one is thicker. This one has like a light blue and browny situation going on, and I like the fact that in here, inside the straps, inside the rib thingy, that is not my skin. That is a brown stuff from the material, which I really do appreciate. It is long sleeve, as you guys can see. It does have this v-neck over here, and it has some buttons, so if you want to button all the way up, your style, your way. And all the other buttons, this one right here, are non-functional, but the bottom parts ones are functional. So yeah, so cute. I love the color. This is what the back looks like. It's just a regular plain old back, and I like the length with this. Definitely a thigh-high boot or a booty with this one, wear teddy with this, or a nice leather jacket on top of this, and you are good to go. Beautiful dress, really cute, really nice. Y'all see the body in this? Yes, baby. Y'all see the body in this. Okay guys, the next dress. So this is this red beautiful sweater dress from Fashionnova. Also really cute, really nice. You guys see the sleeve has a little bit of balloon on it. It has this v-neck going on. This you could wear it with a heel, you could wear it with a boot, and looks really cute. This would have been cute for a nice Christmas party, or if there's a theme party like a red, everybody wear red or something like that. This would be a really cute dress. It is hugging my body. I got this in an extra small because it has a lot of stretch and a lot of give to this. So if you don't want it to be this tight to your body, you could stay your size. Or really cute, classy, beautiful. Okay guys, with this one, you guys saw it in the last haul in like a tannish brownish color one. You guys see this one on it. So I went ahead and I got another color, because what we do on this channel is if we like something, we tend to buy it in multiple colors. Okay, it ain't no stranger to my channel that when I love something, I tend to have it in different colors. So outfit, you could make 3 outfits out of this one. So you could wear it just like this, right? Or you could unbutton this side and flip it inward. so we're not flashing now. Okay, you could wear it like this, real cute, right? But then again, you could go ahead. I feel like this one is longer than the brown one that I got. I'm not sure, but oh well. So yeah, this is it. You can wear it like this. This is what the back looks like. Really cute, really nice, conform to your body, sexy. And again, you guys remember this part's to open up. Alright guys, this is the other side. The other side slit a little bit higher. I kind of like it the way it is. The higher it is, the better, you feel me? So but yeah, this is the other side. It came a little bit higher. The other one, this other side stops like your mid thigh, and this one comes a little bit up to your, almost to your crotch area. As long as you're careful, you should be fine. This outfit is so cute. I think they have other colors, and guess what? Your girl is gonna go cop the other color. Sorry guys. Just get there before me. And don't forget to check the description box. There's always a discount code that I always put there for you guys to use for Fashionnova. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the first set. It is black. Is it sheer? A little bit sheer, because I feel like you could see my bra right there. And yeah, this is this first set. It is black. You can never go wrong with black in your closet. It came with this legging kind of pants. It is very high-waisted and it's pretty long. I am 5'5" for reference. So a little bit of scrunching on my ankle part area. It is kind of came with this tie right over here and this little flappy thingy. So yeah, this flappy little thingy on the side, and this side is long. As you can see, this is long and this side is short. So you just take the tie situation. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. Really cute, chic, beautiful. You can wear this out to a girls night out or brunch with your girl. It also came with this hair to make it look like this and stuff. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. If you wear this with a thigh-high boots, a booty, a heel, sneakers, whatever one fits your style. So cute, so nice. Like I said, it is a little bit see-through. So wear a nice teddy coat with this, or a nice jacket on top of this. A blazer actually will actually look cute on this. I'm just saying. So yeah, this is this one right here. Really cute, really nice two-piece set. The shirt is cropped, as you can see, and then the long skirt right over here with a slit on the side. Really cute. I got this in a medium. Medium fit me perfectly well, so I say stay your size. Normally with Fashionnova, I'm a medium, sometimes a small. So yeah, so cute. It has this string that you have to tie on your by yourself when you are wearing it, or you could leave it like this. This is how it came with the string. But yeah, this is it with the string tie. And this is it without the string tie. So whichever one works for you, fine. You can leave it any way you want. This is so cute. It is touching the ground on me without heels. It's touching the ground, but with heels, it will look something like this, which is not bad. It's really not bad. I like my clothes to like at least cover my heels. So yeah. This is so cute. The next set that I got is this Athleisure kind of Adidas inspired set right over here. Very, very soft. Ooh, the only thing I wish I have gotten a small. This is a medium and it's pretty big. You guys see how it is so scrunchy right here on me. And yeah, other than that, it is cute. I love it. I want all the colors. They have a lot of colors in here, and they come with the hoodie. This is good to chill at home, run quick errands. It does come with the pocket right over here. The pant doesn't have a pocket, but the shirt does come up with a pocket. Really cute, really nice. Okay guys, the top that I got is this beautiful, gorgeous brown. So this is what this one does. It is bustier-ish kind of style crop top, really cute, really nice, a classy, nice, beautiful. Y'all see the blue, y'all know the bigger the shoulder, that's what we do in this channel, okay? It is such a beautiful top. I really like it. It is a long sleeve, poofy on the shoulder area, and then a thin tight sewing on the arm down, really cute. Wear high-waisted, you know, nice pants, not jeans, pants with this, a real nice, either the skinny pants or those flare pants, either one. That's what you gotta wear with this. You cannot wear jeans with it because this is too cute, too classy for jeans. And this is what the back looks like, and it has a zipper going down right over there. Okay guys, the next top that I got from Fashionnova is this top right here. This top is so cute. If you guys saw my New Year Eve styling video that I did, I styled this top over there, and it is such beauty. Very beautiful top. Like I said in that video, I wish I got a small. It's a medium. It does have quite a lot of stretch to it. If you see it and see it online, you would think it's a satin material, and it probably doesn't have any stretch to it, but it has a lot of stretch to it. This is beautiful. I really love this top. The only thing, like I said, I should have gone down the side. So if you are one of them people, go down the side, except if you have a big titties, bigger than mine, then you can go ahead and stay your size. This, as you guys can see, has a boning right here. You see that? It has a boning right there that is holding making it look holding your chest up, and it also have those sticky thingy right here that is gonna make it stick to your body. But I like it. I'll probably just take it to the tailor, and they'll probably take it on the side for me, so whenever I wear it and stuff, you'll be able to fit me much better. And if you have a double-sided tape or boot tape, that will also work very well with this outfit. This is what the back looks like. Really cute, just simple. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. If you like what you see and you like my video and you like my vibe, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Oh, before we leave, everything I have, I will definitely link them in the description box. Mwah.